Hey guys, hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Today is the 26th, and I have been filming like different random clips since the 23rd. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and kind of go in order. I'm doing this vlog a little bit different because I just filmed a lot of random clips that I want to piece all together like montage style. So I think what I'll do is now I'm going to insert all the clips that I took on Christmas Eve, December 23rd. We went out all day, went to lunch. We had to get a new rug, just like random family stuff. So I'm going to insert those clips here, and then I'll come back. So we went out, we got this new rug. Been actually wanting a new rug for the bottom of the stairs for a while, but just hadn't found the right one. And we went to Home Goods, found this. I actually was looking at the same rug online. It's kind of like a shaggy rug and it feels really good to walk on. As you can see, Grady keeps walking on it. But how big is this, babe? 5 by 7?
5 by 7.
So this is 5 by 7. Our old one was 4 by 6. And it looks a lot more substantial. And this is a really high traffic area right here, especially because we have an open floor plan. So really like this. And then the old rug that was here, it was blue. I actually put it in my office because oddly enough, the paint in here is like a periwinkle blue, and Matt just put the crown molding up in here. It's kind of dark, gloomy day out. So it actually worked out because the rug actually works in my office, so it's perfect. Okay, so those were Christmas Eve clips, and I took a bunch of clips as well. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, just a lot of cooking, a lot of eating. I made eggplant parmesan Christmas Eve for Christmas Day. I made like a breakfast casserole that we had Christmas morning. We did a lot of like appetizer food, watched a lot of football, just hung out as a family, and kind of just enjoyed, you know, the holiday and being home together. Today I went out to Target this morning and got some after Christmas sales, 50% off. I did put a haul up, so I'm sure you guys have already seen that by now because you'll be seeing that obviously before this. Today I'm just going to do some cleaning, some tidying up. Matt actually was supposed to have off this whole week, but he actually, his boss asked if he could work tomorrow and Thursday this week. Today is Tuesday, so he has to actually work tomorrow and Thursday unexpectedly. So Grady and I are going to go out and do some fun stuff, hang out with some friends, catch up with people, because everybody's off right now for the holiday. So yes, I'm going to go ahead now and insert all the clips from Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, again like montage style, and then I'll come back with you after. we going? To the mall? Where else? Where else are we going? I thought we were going to Starbucks. Because you want a cookie.
Box.
Get your coat buttoned. I like your hat. This is one of my favorite houses on a road that we're on quite a bit. It's so much prettier in real life. It's probably, what, 100 years old, you think?
At least.
Yeah, it's so pretty though.
It's
I love
old brickwork right there.
Love this house. Alright guys, so I thought I would close out this vlog by showing you what I got at the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. Today was the first day in stores. This was 75% off. It's the chestnut and argan body cream with argan oil. And it was 75% off. I think it was like $3 or $2 or for that. And then I got this pumpkin spice and everything nice body cream, 75% off. I got the matching chestnut and argan. This is the sugar scrub that matches this scent. I got the, is this the apple, champagne apple and honey sugar scrub. I also got the marshmallow pumpkin latte sugar scrub. These are nice sized jars too. I think these were, yeah, these were 75% off as well. And so is this. This is the marshmallow pumpkin pumpkin latte whipped body butter as well. And then the 1,000 Wishes Aqua Cool aloe, it's like a gel lotion. And I actually got this for my friend Kira. She loves the 1,000 Wishes scent. And I also got Kira 2 of the wallflowers in the 1,000 Wishes scent as well. That's all I could find for her. I looked for candles and like body wash. I looked for anything 1,000 Wishes I could find, and this is all I could find in the whole store. I actually only found 2 of the wallflowers, or else I would have gotten more for her. And then this was 50% off. It's the pineapple punch body cream. So I got everything here. I had a $10 off survey coupon, which was the only coupon you could use now. 10 off 30. So with the coupon, I ended up paying $30.42 for everything. So I thought that was really good actually, because I mean this alone, these alone are $13. I think this one might be $16.50. Yeah, this is $16.50. This is $13.50 alone. So $30.42 for everything here. I didn't get candles or soaps because I don't need any. So this will be for Kira. And then one of these 3 scrubs I'll keep, or one of these 2 scrubs I'll keep for us. And then mostly everything else will be used for gifts like throughout the winter, because I have a lot of friends with winter birthdays. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm going to go ahead and end it now because I want to edit all of the footage that I have. There's quite a bit between the 23rd and today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.